Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creations. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter. So today I've got a huge yarn haul from Crochet that I would like to share with you. Like, huge. Like, huge. So heavy that I had to have my son carry it in here for me into my work studio. And full confession, it's been sitting in my living room for a couple hours because I was finishing a new design on the loom, a new sock, and I knew that if I opened up this box of yarn that this would be put down, so I wanted to finish this first. Okay, welcome back. So let's get started. It is like, I just have to also say, it is like mid-October, and I'm still wearing a tank top. It's hot. Huge box. I got multiples of the same color, so I'll just show you the different colors that I got and the different types. Sorry for the crinkling, and thankfully this is not wrapped. They put it in a nice convenient bag. I like when yarn comes in a bag because I can store it so much easier. But this is called Heatherly Sport Weight, and this is the color. Which color is this? It says B734. So I ordered this from Crochet, which is a sister company of Knit Picks. This yarn, as I said, was Heatherly Sport Weight. This is a 80% acrylic, 20% merino. Hand wash, and you got hand wash it because it's got the wool in it. It's super soft. It's not a tight wind, almost roving, but not quite. There is a little bit of a twist there. You can smell a little bit of the wool. It is soft. I believe that would definitely be to your skin soft. Nice. Something tells me that this name, I don't know. I will put it on the screen next to me somewhere. Oh, maybe this is it. Sky Mobile. So it says it right here on the front, but on the back it's actually got a color number. So this is Sky Mobile. And like I said, I got several of those. Let's see. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm thinking I got 12, so there may be another one hiding in here somewhere. Here she is. 12 of those. This is Upscale Alpaca Blend. This is a worsted weight. This is the color Sage. 219 yards for 100 grams. And this has a tighter chain, so almost like a chain ply. I don't know if you can see that. Not necessarily a chain ply, but it's got a tighter twist. So it looks high twisted. If you have gotten a lot of any dyed yarn. One of the options usually is high twist. So this is a high twist yarn. Beautiful. Beautiful. So what are the contents? The contents are 33% alpaca, 34% wool, and 33% acrylic. Again, this is a hand wash. It is a US number 4, so worsted weight. And it does say limited edition. I'm not sure how long. I know that with some companies, the more the yarn is purchased, sometimes limited editions turn into permanent editions. So maybe that will be the case. I can smell the wool. It doesn't feel like there's any, I mean, even though it says there's 33% acrylic, there's more of the alpaca and the wool mixture in that you can't even feel the acrylic. And it's nice bounce back. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so fun. So I got 12 of each of these colors. The next color I got is, and now I will say that when I looked at these on the website, that they weren't as, they didn't look as bright, I guess, and that's fine because I had actually seen pictures of them before I went online to find them. So they are much more vibrant in person, which I'm okay with. So like I said, I saw pictures of, I don't know if it was because they were kind of like laying together in like a color scheme type thing. And I have a MacBook and it's usually pretty close, true to color. But anyway. So this one is Fruit Punch. It's more of a heathered. It's got some reds and blues and some grays mixed in. Let's see. Right there's probably true to color, at least what's showing on my screen. Again, same parameters, 219 yards for 100 grams. 33% alpaca, 34% wool, and 33% acrylic. So I got 12 of those. Here's another color. This one should be Garnet. Yes, so this one is Garnet. And the Fruit Punch, they're really close together. But see how much different this looks when it's paired next to the other one. So I think I saw these three together and I really liked them. So again, I got 12 of the Garnet. And then, oh, here's my invoice all the way down here on the bottom. Because I always like to check just to make sure. Ooh, a big sale coming up in November. The November sale. Yay. So that is something you definitely want to be looking out for. It's 60% off of over 1,000 plus skeins of yarn. Wow. That'd be November 8th through November 21st. Just in time for Christmas. Yes. I'm sure they've probably got this on the website or... Another thing I got was this Wonderfluff. This is the ombre, and this color was Kale Heather. Now, I will tell you that they have discontinued this particular color. So if you like this ombre with the white in it, I would go Crochet and I would snag it right now, because their newer version, instead of this white cream color, is black. So if it doesn't matter to you that it is a green black ombre, then you're fine. But if you like this green cream ombre, I would go ahead and grab some now, because they're not remaking it. They've shifted and they've went to all black ombres on several of their colors. So I got that. And then I got just some of the individual Kale Wonderfluff. So my plan for this is Brianna of Brianna K Designs has that new poncho out, and she actually did it the opposite way with this Kale Heather, or this Kale Ombre. No, Kale Heather. Kale Heather Ombre. She actually did the top of her poncho in the green and then the rest in the cream. I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to do the top in cream and then the rest in the green. Now, this is a bulky weight. The ombre has 284 yards for 100 grams. It is 70% baby alpaca, 23% nylon, 7% merino wool. I hope I don't regret this, because y'all know I live in the South, and sometimes it gets cold, sometimes it doesn't. This is what it looks like. It is a roving yarn. Even though, I mean, it's a bulky because it's a roving, but it is super, super lightweight. Super lightweight. So I'm thinking that this would be like my jacket, or I'm in the house and my upper body's cold and just throw the poncho on. And then the individual colors are 142 yards for 50 grams. Same parameters, 70% baby alpaca, 23% nylon, 7% merino wool. So like I said, this one is for the new crochet poncho that Brianna K just came out with. That's why I ordered this. The poncho is available in, it's part of the new, she's got a new sweater pattern with lace down the sides. And that pattern actually comes within that course thing, is how she sells her pattern. And then the last alpaca blend I got is linen. Oh no, I already showed linen. I should have another one. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I didn't get, I put stuff in the cart and out of the cart, in the cart and out of the cart. Sage, fruit punch, linen, garnet. Okay, I must not have, oh, you know what? I traded out the parchment for the sage. So, I've got some crochet sweater designs that have been going in and out of my head for weeks. And so I definitely wanted to try this yarn out. And see what I can come up with. That is all I mean, like that isn't enough. But that is all that I got. I am excited to see how these crochet up, how the gauge swatch is, how much drape. Oh my gosh, it is so squishy. I know the drape on this is going to be utterly fantastic. And I really hope that even though they say limited edition, that these aren't a limited edition. I also saw, I'm almost positive that they had a DK weight of this. It may have been a sport, but I'm almost positive that they had a lighter version than the worsted. But again, I mean, it's not really that, I would more call this a light worsted. It's not really that thick. So, I mean, honestly, let's just compare this side by side with the sport and this worsted weight. I mean, other than the worsted weight having more fluff, more air in the strand, they are pretty much identical in weight. So, I would definitely classify this more of a light worsted versus a heavy worsted. So I'm excited to get going on my designs, and I hope you guys will be excited too when they come out. I forgot to mention that you can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter. I do post quite regularly on Instagram, so if you want to give me a follow over there, I'd appreciate it. If you like this video, please consider hitting the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed and you like the content, please consider doing so. And until next time, happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy looming, happy crafting. Bye.